The Spanish-speaking world, to me, it is a cultural powerhouse, an absolute cultural powerhouse. My name is Carolyn, and I am the director of the Spanish Trainer. And what I love about teaching Spanish is just working with a variety of adults. I work with adults that need to have Spanish for work, but then I also work with adults who are learning Spanish for travel purposes. So knowing Spanish really opens up a lot of doors for you. I mean, it's amazing what it offers for you. So here in the Denver area, our Hispanic population is about 35%. In the Commerce City area, it's around 75%. And it's estimated that by 2050, the population will actually be around 65%. And so we definitely have a huge need for it here. And you know, most days when you walk out of your house, you're gonna see some influence of Spanish. Plus, more and more here in Denver, employers are asking for bilingual skills on resumes and applications, and the preferred language would be Spanish. So what makes me different from other Spanish trainers in this area is that, number one, I learned Spanish myself as an adult. And I didn't begin learning Spanish until I was 26 years old. And I've had the opportunity to work with over 4,800 adults here in the Denver area. And so I am here to tell you that as an adult, you can completely learn to speak another language. And in my experience, adults are absolutely amazing language learners. So if you're ready to get started learning Spanish now, I do offer a free training. You can sign up for a weekly email that comes to your inbox on Tuesday mornings, and it is full of Spanish tips and activities. Lots of really great and fun ways for you to get started building your Spanish skills. Or if you're really ready to accelerate your Spanish, you can come to one of my Core Plus Conversation classes. So there's 8 different levels of the Core Plus Conversation, and each level is offered in a 6-week increment. And as soon as you finish 6 weeks, you can roll right into the very next level. And you can take as many levels as you want, starting at the level that you're at right now. The Core Plus Conversation classes can be delivered to you in 3 different ways. The first one is I will come to you in your workplace, and I will teach you and your coworkers Spanish. You can come to my in-person classes in Westminster, Colorado, or you can register for one-to-one online webinars. So I truly believe that you can go much further faster with your Spanish with a great teacher, and I would absolutely love to be that teacher for you.